Hello, good afternoon, or good morning, I guess. I kind of lost track of what time it was. I'm here to record my good thing for this week, and I wanted to kind of do do something a little different. Baby Dash wanted to join me today. So my good thing for the week, I guess, is kind of like my last one. Well, oh, there's a glare on my glasses. No, don't do that. Don't do that. Is kind of like my good thing from last week, which is we get another short week. So I don't know about you, but that gave me another day to spend time with family. My husband was off. He's still been having to go into work. My husband was off, so I was able to spend some more time with my husband and my boys. And just like I did, oh, and also because I've been showing you guys my Barbie dolls, that forced me to clean out my closet. Yes, yes, that forced me to clean out my closet so I could find some more. So this week she's a special edition from 2003. She is the first in her series, and this is Holiday Visions Barbie. And ooh, if you look through her, you see blue. You see blue, Baby Dash. Yeah, yeah. So she's real pretty. Yes, she has her nice little winter coat on there, and the description on the back. Introducing Holiday Visions Barbie doll, the first in our newest holiday series. In her winter fantasy ensemble, she is as magical as the dawn after a midnight snowfall. So there she is. Again, if you guys want to continue to record your good things, you can. You don't have to. I know it's kind of weird to talk to your computer. At least it is for me. Anyway, I'll post this. And of course, if you have any questions about any assignments that I post, you can comment on the assignment in Google Classroom or send me an email. Talk to y'all soon. Bye. Say bye-bye, Baby Dash.
Bye.